ye mo bi akọ aba yen sanfa mra metro afei dadru su Ghanaian players abroad Ghana this year omusi akan on crofon close over the weekend from Friday to another Saturday minute on body more clubs goes on shede more clubs eno ene ya compile ene awia yi ye de ebrem on metro 94.1 ho nsema eno so ene nsema ye de ebrem e wo sadwuma de so ye ko na afia start e de free England eno ada wa bra na FA Cup no e ko so na branch ya ye fe no Christian Atwu about 13 minutes everyone team friend Newcastle name no ma ankoyi wo mutu lusu to team aye friend no Watford ends or no bench and oba about 13 minutes at the man team a friend no Newcastle and some ankoyi abrante friend akosi apia utina kan de ma Wembley won say what about to just say AFCON no onya obekọ de no aso oti akan no obo no homodi yie pa onya go baako e de tia team a friend no West Ham United o she baako as oginam about 90 minutes nad man team a e friend Wembley na wo treta o form coach e friend akosi apia friends omra na omesi akan mfama Ghana national team na obo no homodi na afibia enso akoyi e di amano me da so England ho de amade mani e tiri mo Abrante friend Abetadoma eno ada ono so si akan 68 minutes e de man team friend Aston Villa omso tena ho we need 2-1 against my friend Ipswich Town our championship next week championship no sina kan Ghana ha nke division 1 and our brand friend Abetadoma ugina mu 68 minutes esi akan de ban team a your friend Aston Villa and me to aso dia no de mani e team our brand friend Joe Doidoi so ti ase our brand friend Joe Doidu ono so gina kan ono wantima si akan fa man team friend Blackpool na me say no wo injury kakra wo no ho ntini coach nya ya den say we da bante ne betina se se da bi obetuma recover nta bante friend Doidu no wantimi ansi akan en ho me to aso dia nam da so wo league we league 1 ho nsem ene ye de air2 anim on say oko England a ye wo Premier League ye wo Championship National League ne ho nsem ni na we abante we wo si akan e wo league 1 anim a Doidu ono to antimi ansi akan o mexi game no through injury and so na nsema e free ho ba ye to aso dia na de mani e kire mu abante friend Tarikwe Fosu usina kan e de matima e friend Charlton Athletic ono so antimi ansi akan amfa mani tima e friend Charlton Athletic and am say no no supra kakra e hye ne hunti abante no so antimi ansi akan amfa matima e friend Charlton Athletic abante friend Alex Ade ono so bo 90 minutes e de matima e friend Cheltenham United usiakai 90 minutes e de man team no e wo ye England omo league 2 ni ma abante no so esiakai 90 minutes e de man club no so e kere se coach ko se apia to nta front beba no be dini djuma kama e de ma Ghana Blasters eno to na nsema e free hoba e de e to manim e odjuma de so abante fan Emmanuel Sindoku ono so antimi ameki ono so timi meki ye Emma team e friend no Macclesfield Town otina bench 90 minutes out now we on new substitute wantimi anya ansi akan amfa man team a e friend Macclesfield ono so atina bench 90 minutes wantimi ansi akan ye to aso de ane de ni ejimo abante a e friend Kobe Arthur ono so bo 7 minutes per enam se onya injury wa bra no mene Macclesfield airball into ono so esi akan 7 minutes per ono so injury antimi andi ambo no 7 minutes per no so nya ya osi akan me to aso na me de mani achemu abante a ye friend Enoch Ando ono so tina bench 90 minutes e de ma team e friend Macclesfield ono so antimi anya akonya si akan amfa man team eno to ne nsema e free ho by the air to manim e odumade ne so abante e friend Hiram Boateng ono so antimi ansi akan amfa ma Exeter City anam se no so nya injury kakra na e hye ne ho nti ni coach no na den sa abante no enya available into antimi anyu tu no eno to ne nsema e ba me to aso dia na abante e friend Bernard Mensah ono so si akan e hye go e de man team a e friend Aldershot Town our National League ni our English mamu ono so si akan about 90 minutes esanya go baako e de man club eno so ne nsema ye de air to manim e odumade ne so me da so wo England ho abranch e friend Kelvin Loko ono so bo 90 minutes e de man team friend Dover Athletic our National League ni ono so si akan 90 minutes e bo bibia kama e de man team friend Dover Athletic bibia enso ekoye e de man abranch e friend Note ono so si akan e de man team friend Dover Athletic no so bo 63 minutes e de man team friend Dover Athletic ono so bibia ekwe e de amano me nkomanim na me mfamani entirimu abranch friend Nana Oforitwumasi ena fa abranch friend Hanold Odamte almost siakan 90 minutes o mienu na esiakan 90 minutes e de ma team friend Maidenhead United omusiakan 90 minutes e de mo club bibia and ekwe edi amomo me mfamani ntirimu abranch friend Nana Owusu ono so eba mu e bo 5 minutes e de ma team a your friend Wrexham kono baa obesi akan e de man team e wo ye National League nim e wo English mamu abanje friend Kwame Kwame Thomas or also and making Jinama day squad of team your friend Solly Hall Moss team no about your friend Kwame Thomas or also and making Jinama day squad and also in Sema England Ghanaian players Umusia can England a year FA Cup Championship League 2 and then and some yet the money. Mamma Twasso, Namen for many entry was Spina. A branch of friend Thomas Partey and no other now Branton was in super fantastic form or you 2 assists and after 2 goals now to my friend Alex Kumar share Nina the guy was involved. First one no assist no na second one so it was a prayer assist next one the pass ball no and sana ball ni could do share go no then also a prayer assist a bunch of friend Thomas Partey or also a game o sia kan 90 minutes as a man of the match Edmund team your friend Alex Kumar Bobo ko no na the coach your friend Owura Diego Pablo Simone say Branche no team bi o wiase bia obetima ko na ko si akan da ma team because Branche no from wom no super fantastic na mum omo Atletico Madrid bubu ko mo nyoma nso meton Branche no amana ko si akan da ma team bia eno so ne nsema eba Thomas Partey ebo 19 minutes Edman team e friend Atletico Madrid Emmanuel Boateng enso si akan 76 minutes Edman Levante bubu ko no abra omo to tena wo ye hwe ha ma team friend Sevilla so mo e kan nu a omantimi antibi omantimi antimi wada bra ka Branche e friend Emmanuel Boateng Ghana player Jebekia last season obo hat-trick at the team friend Barcelona and so that a branch no obo 76 minutes bibia antimi anya wantimi anto atenampo and so Ghana ye striker a branch friend Rafael Dwamna or also tena bench 90 minutes ni na wantimi anya akonya and see akan Anfama Levante nanke be he senka ye ya branch friend Emmanuel Boateng every morning 66 minutes no nanka onu ni friend Rafael Dwamna ebam na nso wantimi anya akonya and see akan Anfama team your friend Levante and also in sema a free Spain Ghana adeshia omusi akan enso ho yenko sekunda bi nim na afiyan fa honsem se Ghana hanke division 2 ni fa division 1 ni fa honsem so emrade a brantia a friend Richard Boateng or also at na bench 90 minutes na wantimanya akonya and see akan from team friend Real Oviedo out na bench the whole of the game no wantimanya akonya and see akan me toaso e wa brantia friend ya yebo aso ye or also tena bench e de ma team friend CD Numancia or also antimanya akonya and see akan amfama ne team and also ne nsema e free hoba e de air tumanim e wodumade ne so a brantia friend Idris Baba Mohammed ebo 90 minutes and my friend Rema Yoka ama bibia enso ekoye di mabrante no so ne nsema e free Ghana players a omusi akan e was Spain ubetie no ase no so compilation we no from Friday to Saturday next and de no enya mai wotena da yetena sia e de ye ne de no enso ebeto anim ye to aso de ne de ani e kire mo Italy na afie de hoso nsema ba a branch friend Alfred Duncan on se no opira nenso enra o pass late fitness ebesi akan e de man team ye friend no e Sassuolo omo ebo mmodi e kan nine enso a branch friend Alfred Duncan eba mu besi akan obo kakra bi e de man team no te de bia o free injury ba nti coach no nim se ne hu hia ne ye pa nti osonton a branch no Alfred Duncan so hu nsem na e de e tumanim e odumade ne so a branch friend Claude Japan ono so was on new sap ono wantimanya akonya a mesi akan Anfama team friend Cagliari because say na team coach nim say the plans and I say the game plan dey no dey wura mu no na esa branch and factor in into branch friend Claude Japan wantimanya akonya and si akan Anfama Cagliari na mum otena bench the whole of the 90 minutes a bibia enso ekoye e de ma branch na next match no behwe so obenya akonya no no so asi akan no ahwe no betima ya che no coach na bibia se so na ni a wato akoso ama branch abobi me to aso wa branch friend Nicolas Opoku on so 77 minutes e de ma team a Udni nemum or sounds the yellow card or hall and also in summer if a bunch of Nicolas Opoku or also about 77 minutes in a vein or sounds so it the yellow card and so hall but that's why we Italy hall with the money a branch of friend brighter there would when you are being a branch of friend brighter there or not to 65 minutes and I signed the yellow card and my team friend Ascoli obo 65 minutes esanso the yellow card enso ho we you are being and also in some e the air to many mood madins abanje friend Moses Oje or also Angela making it the magic squad of team your friend Saletara team friend Saletara when team making to the magic squad because coach no say na game na okobo no abanja your friend Moses Oje no e bia na ho timi enchera man for so bia emfa ema no membo chi na mfuma ni enchire mo Germany na afi Ghana this year umusi akan wo Germany no yemfa mo so ohun sem em2 dia abanja friend Kasim Nuhu ono wantima anya akonya ansi akan Anfama team e friend TSG Hofia manam say abante no wanya pra kakra won ho ana ho to kakra ntimi coach antimi ama abante no and see a kind of ye send next match at team friend TSG Hofia mebono Hogres me ma abante no enso aba no be see a kind bi enso e de ma no eno so ne nsema if abante friend Kasim Nuhu na so ye enso eba Isaac Abbas Isaac Abbas also antima meki into the magic squad of men's 05 and I'm say a reasons known to the coach one for Banting Ankan a friend Isaac Abbas when antima meki into the magic squad of men's 05 and also in Sama if you hold by the air to money to money so a bunch of friend Derek Lucas and also antimi making to the magic squad for team friend Hector Blaine I'm saying a branch and on who don't kakra break a crash and home into Derek Lucas and to me anya konya and see a kind former teamer your friend Hector Blaine men for money and Jim Daniel Kofichre or also antimi and also about 90 minutes at my team your friend SV Rehen was your kind 90 minutes at my team our Bundesliga training a branch your friend Daniel Kofichre or also about 90 minutes at my team your friend SV Rehen and our German Bundesliga training and also in Sama yade air money oh Jumadin so a bunch of friend Kevin Redditch or also antimi anya konya matima a friend code boss or team no and I'm say now branch and how to do kakra in Jabranti no and so antimi anya konya making into the mighty squad of team friend energy code boss squad no and I'm in Sama if you hold by the air money oh Jumadin so a bunch of friend Bernard Tre or also about 90 minutes at my team friend Fortuna Cologne ho German Bundesliga training a bunch of friend Bernard Chere on Zunya Kunya about 90 minutes at my team friend Fortuna Cologne and why the air to money oh Jumadin a bunch of friend Braden Manu on also about 33 minutes at my team a friend Hollis about 33 minutes at my team no and so Yafiani and Tremu Diani Yeni Tremu our team and I say where your friend France Ghana Mrantia omusi akan ho omo nsem so yemfantu jam Jumadin so dia bunch of friend Emmanuel in team also antima making into the magic squad of team friend Valenciana squad no because really known to the coach Abanton was fatal na injury branch na ho nemum wantimi ameki into the magic squad Ghana second goalkeeper friend Lawrence Atigizi goalkeeper Onyabinda Enoda omo first goalkeeper omo ya warm up no prayer na ezura bedam na afetutu no ma bianku yo baya na oba be hye no na say no Atigizi beda ebo 90 minutes edman team oye goalkeeper Ghana second goalkeeper no ebo 90 minutes edman team friend so she obedam 90 minutes na then so osan share no ho a eno na the only goal a pie game nim and also in Nsema if Lawrence Atigizi if na so ye enso e by the air tumanim e wo Jumadin ne so odo wani tirem our bunch ya your friend Elisha Owusu or so 58 minutes and my team friend show nemum want mark kana ho ama e kana antimi ante into omusu luzu 1-0 and so why the air to manim e wo Jumadin so Ghana deeper than defender John Boy or so 90 minutes and my team friend FC Ment and so why the air to manim e wo Jumadin next John Boy bibia e kwen man and so say next call up no oba oba be je no to no why am Ghana Blasters bobu kuna bibia and so be kwen and so ya fi yin tirem Holland the Netherlands na fi Ghana players musi akan ohonom ye de ho nsem abremo from Friday be see another Saturday no games Ghana players or more abroad on boy a minute and no amount and na ye de air to manim e wo Jumadin so me startem e wo Holland and na branch friend Jonathan Opoku or not to share 2 goals and my team friend Vivi Velu nemom the 2 goals no share no and to me am one the team no mu 2-3-2 and so when so on individual grounds there Abanton born humodi e share 2 goals and my team friend Vivi Velu and also in semi free Abanton friend Jonathan Opoku aso ye e by the air to manim e wo Jumadin so menko enfumani entim Abanton friend Leroy Owusu on so born 90 minutes and my team friend Graves Chap about 90 minutes at the moment e ma bibia enso ekoye e ma Abanton friend Leroy Owusu Kosi Capco and so antima making into the magic squad of PSG Bobo Kuna no omuni 2-1 Abanton friend Cody Capco and Mamiki into the magic squad and I'm say now reasons known to the coach because Abanton was fatal could be to match Yakan and the money team in the coach and Anfanan Kamadi squad why you bomb pay the money you say the next match Ghana and I say team my friend PSG Bono Ubenya Kunya no making to the magic squad na impo what me starting madam money team your friend PSG and so me that so Netherlands money mudia Abanton your friend Asuma Abubakar on also tina bench 90 minutes at my team your friend Maastricht or tina bench 90 minutes I want to manya konya and see a kind and va matima your friend Maastricht uko mwa a division 2 Alba Ghana has and division 1 and so when I say under every division no on first tier league no under no a bunch of friend Kelvin Lucasen or no and so about 90 minutes at my team friend Ameri City Mary City abrante fan Kelvin Lucas ono nso about 90 minutes ne nua ne Derek Lucas no tina kan Germany man ano nso ne nsema ye de etumanim dwumadi ne nso menko na mfumani enkyere mu Belgium na afi Ghanaian players a omusi akan Belgium no mensan for mu nsem as entuja dwumadi ne nso abrante fan William Japan of free bench by every ball minute ni kakra 15 minutes man team a ye fan Royal Antwerp Abrantian e friend William Japan si akan 15 minutes man club no and not in nsema e free hoba Daniel Opare and antima nya akonya etena bench 90 minutes man team e friend Standard Liège wa nya akonya and si akan amfama Standard Liège ye to aso de anam ni mani team na Opoku Ampoma ono so esi akan 90 minutes esan che go man team e friend Wasland Beveren Abrante esi akan 90 minutes esan nya go man team na bibia ekuye Abrante no Abrante friend Elton ejina kan provide assist man team e friend Sten Troyden Abrante friend Elton no osiakan 90 minutes esan ye assist kama man team e friend Sten Troyden and Belgium man no to nsema e free Ghanaian players aboard ayabobo no from Friday to Saturday no ye de ebrem ene anwumre odwumade no so ye to aso na afia ni enkyere mu Abrante friend Samuel Asamoah obo 90 minutes man team e friend Cycle boot Abrante friend Samuel Asamoah about 90 minutes and Joseph Aidu so about 90 minutes man team friend KRC Genk Abrante friend Joseph Aidu no and so nyakonya esiakan 90 minutes man team na bibia enso ekoye de mom na emum omotina afie enso elusu ye Joseph Pence enso etina bench 90 minutes Abrante nyakonya ansi akan amfama team friend KRC Genk Abrante friend Joseph Pence no wantimanya koya ansi akan amfama ne team your friend KRC Genk and so nsema if Joseph Pence aso by the air tumanim dwumade nenzo NS Ajuri and about 61 minutes my team your friend Chibis Belgium okwa almost second division no Abrante your friend NS Ajuri and about 61 minutes my team your friend Chibis why the air tumanim dwumade nenzo Divana or also anti making Junamadi squad for team your friend Chibis and I'm say no one injury kakra and want me anya konya over the weekend and see a kind and farm team me to also them the money etrim Cyprus there's a Ghana players in the or matwa hoti asati so but bia Ghana player or made money etrim or Cyprus Abrante your friend Benjamin Asamoah once about 19 minutes and my team your friend Dosa about 19 minutes wo ho e bia enso ekoye Adimano menko na memfo mani entem of Finland tell me to Ghana and the players no or matwa hoti because obinem say Kromba na sikasem nye de ne ba bi obekọ obinya dollars kakra na obekọ no ka kusia kan to matwa hoti sa Abrante friend Samuel Afum ni Abrante friend David Addy na Abrante friend Samuel Afum omobo 90 minutes mo mutimi friend Ives wo ho mrante mi no bia timi 90 minutes ho later sa team Ives no Ghana mrante makoma miensa na emom baba mensa ono de he wasn't in the Madrid squad and say want me making in the Madrid squad and you reason known to the coach no wa ma Abrante your friend no baba mensa mesi akan amfa man club na so ne nsema if you hope by the air too money dwumade no the money etremo India de nan gado ne won say so ball and omo ball Abrante friend Ogatin Okra ono so antima making to the Madrid squad of team friend Northeast United want to make into the Madrid squad na say o India na we do make into the Madrid squad crowd there na say o bono you bet make say e form and not in nsema if Abrante friend Ogatin Okra ho nsema e dey too many dwumade no so Ghanaian players about them ya bobo from Friday to Saturday no and ye dey brem ene anumre upiem wo motade a Abrante friend Gabriel Mensah about 90 minutes and my team friend Paita Hospitals Abrante friend Gabriel Mensah is akan 90 minutes man bobu ko no bibia and ekoye man Isaac Kinto or also antimi ansi akan na say no suspension na say one mixing game no and I'm say red card or man team friend Hebanias when timi anya konya ansi akan amfa momentum Isaac Kinto and suspension ho a ye dey too manim dwumadi nso akra we mi de mani tremo Mexico na mum akra we na Ghana fo ni anim say Clifford Abuaje ba be tutu nyoma aye bibia ma bibia kuye no so Abrante nti na nke pese be hu se o si akan na nke ye sa top major European leagues ni bi na Abrante no si akan na so Abrante nti Mexico no odi nim kuya no adam o si akan man team a ye friend no Atlas FC Atlas FC abante friend Clifford Aboaje esi akan 90 minutes esanya goal e de man team na bibia enso ekwe de ma abante friend Clifford Aboaje de etumanim e odumade nso mi mo twena mfumani enkyem was Scotland abante friend Abdul Osman ebo 90 minutes e de man team friend Farkek FC abante friend Abdul Osman enso ebo 90 minutes abi mfumani enkyem wo Turkey na afi Ghanaian players abroad no yemfa NC e odumade nso dia na afi abante friend Bernard Mensah ono so ebo game e de match me friend Kayaspor nso abante ni di red card enso ho eno ezo nsima if Bernard Mensah na so enso eba Ghana ye captain abante friend Asamoah Baby Jet when manya akonya ensi akan amfa Kayaspor enam sa abante no ono so ewo injury kakra ho a eninti ama abante friend Asamoah Baby Jet when timi ensi akan amfa Kayaspor yento aso ni yemfa yani enkyeremu abante friend Lumo Agbanyanu abante yi okoko si akan de new club ye friend SK Gospel FC Gospel abantin ko si akan e de mo obo 90 minutes e de man team no e team fofra wako e be ka se no si akan o Portugal na enwum o de na malone e o team friend SK Gospel ntabantin no e si akan 90 minutes bibia enso e ko e de man no so de woni kiremu o Turkey o mo division 2 ni mu dia abrantia ye friend Jerry Akamenkon ono so antimi anya akonya ansi akan anfoma team a ye friend Istanbul Sport when anya akonya ansi akan anfoma team no enam sa abrantia no ono to pra kakra e hye ne ho we ni Ghanaian players abroad am ye bobo no from Friday e dey besi another Saturday and games no dey afei never to tina na mempa ye tina on the academic and amateur sports a e dey so something ebe tumani